Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can unblock in Facebook in very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we will go to this account section over here, and then we will go for settings and privacy. Click on that, and then we will go for this option called settings, and after that you can search over here block king or block, whatever you want. So after searching for blocking, you can see you will just get this kind of option. If you don't want to search it, then just scroll down a little bit, and after a little scroll down you'll find blocking over here. So click on that, and then if you come over this block users option over here, and if you just click on edit, and then if you click on see your blocked list, you can see the person you blocked, they will be over here. And if you just want to unblock this, just click on area of account that you perform, and they will be unblocked automatically with your Facebook. So this is how we can unblock in Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.